Welcome you all, Divine Yogis. Divine Yoga Commune welcomes you all to make your life divine. When we say we want to live a divine way of living, happy way of living, how we can achieve this goal of happy and peaceful life? There are different dimensions of the life that we need to take care of. When we say we need the holistic health or the divine life, how I can achieve? We can only achieve this objective of healthy, happy life when we will try to put equal effort of each and every dimensions. So what are these dimensions? So there are 8 dimensions of every individual's life. First dimension is social dimensions, where we are living with family, friends, we are working, we are doing business, whatever we are doing externally in the world, it's called your social dimensions. Second dimension is your individual dimensions, when you are living with yourself only. No one is judging you. In that personal space, how you are living, that is what second dimension is all about. Third dimension is your physical health, your body. How you can make this body healthy and fit, flexible. Fourth dimension is your energy body. We sometimes experience that we are exhausted after 2 hours, 3 hours of continuous working. Our battery level is going down, our energy level is going down. So how I can improve my energy? How I can increase my energy? How I can control the energy flow? That will be come under the fourth dimensions, that is the energy dimensions. Then fifth dimension, we are going inside the mind stuff. Mind and the memory and all the different kinds of the thoughts. How I can control, how I can make the good thoughts, how I can choose between the different thought patterns, how I can turn off the switch of this thought. So all these educations, all these techniques to control the mind, and then we will go to the next level. It will be called the intellect dimensions, where we are taking the decision what we want to do and what we don't want to do. Everything in that decision factory, decision community, that is called the intellect faculty. That is also inside us. And then we are going more deeper. It will come the dimensions of the feeling. What we are feeling, how we are feeling. If some situation is happening, what my heart is telling me. That is what all comings under this faculty of feeling. And then at the end, we have the spiritual dimensions. Who am I? What is the purpose of my life? Things that I can do to improve myself, to improve my soul. All that is coming under the spiritual dimensions. So when we are looking into all the 8 dimensions and we are going to uplift, then and then we can get the holistic health from the perspective of the yogic lifestyle. So this is what we are going to learn in this Divine Yoga commune to make our life divine and spread the divinity across the society by working on the 8 limbs or the 8 dimensions of the life. And the solution is given by Maharshi Patanjali by Ashtanga Yoga, 8 limbs of yoga. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhayo, Ashtavangani. So these are the 8 limbs, 8 solutions that we need to put into effect on 8 dimensions of our life. So this is the holistic way of living, and this is the solution of make our life divine. So hopefully you will join with our commune and we will make a definite good divine living. Thank you everyone.